Do you ever find yourself struggling to focus, even on things you actually want to do? What if I told you that constant distraction isn't just annoying, it's silently chipping away at your ability to think critically? In today's video, we're diving deep into how shrinking attention spans are quietly killing our critical thinking skills. And, more importantly, what you can do to fight back starting today. Did you know the average human attention span has dropped by almost 25% in just the last decade? That means our ability to stay focused is weaker than ever. Why? Social media algorithms, constant notifications, the dopamine treadmill of likes, swipes, and endless scrolling. And the signs? They're subtle at first, struggling to finish long articles, jumping between tasks without closure, or just feeling mentally scattered. Have you noticed this happening in your own life? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experience. When our attention gets shallow, we lose the ability to go deep. And deep focus is the foundation of critical thinking. Think about it. When you can't concentrate long enough, it's easier to fall for misinformation. It's easier to make poor decisions. And it's much harder to challenge your own beliefs. The cost isn't just personal, it's societal. Critical thinking is the bedrock of progress. Without it, we risk living in a world where surface-level information shapes our reality. But here's the good news. You can train your attention span back. Start small. Try the 2-minute rule. Commit to focusing on a task for just 2 minutes, and momentum will often carry you further. Schedule digital detox periods. Even short ones reduce mental clutter. And most importantly, practice single tasking. Doing one thing at a time might feel unnatural now, but it's a superpower in today's distracted world. Add in simple mindfulness or meditation exercises, and you'll notice your attention muscle getting stronger. Which of these hacks do you think would help you the most? Let me know in the comments. I'll be replying to as many as I can. Once you regain some focus, it's time to sharpen your analytical edge. Here's how. Use active learning techniques like summarizing, questioning, and connecting new ideas. Embrace boredom, yes, really. Giving your mind space to wander often sparks creative problem solving. And develop critical inquiry habits, fact-checking sources, analyzing credibility, spotting logical fallacies. These small habits stack up to build mental resilience. In the end, the choice is yours. You can either let distraction erode your ability to think, or take proactive steps to protect your mind. Remember, investing in your attention is investing in your future and in your critical thinking abilities. If you found value in this video, do me a favor. Hit that like button so more people can discover it. Share it with a friend who you know is always glued to their phone. And don't forget to subscribe for more insights on mastering your mind in the digital age.